So this is my current setup. For stripping a wire, I have two tools. I have the snips and I have this wire strippers. These were £5. Just getting kind of the wires in the right gauge. I just pull it, and it strips the sleeve off. I'm maybe too zoomed in actually. I'll zoom out a little bit. Just stops video a second. That's perhaps a little bit bigger. I can bring the cable to the thingy, to the camera. So that's the way I normally strip the wires, but my wife got me this for my anniversary. It's I'll just open it. It's a quickly and accurately strips cable insulation with opening, spring and latch. It's Power Fix, which I can't remember if this is Aldi or Lidl. I'm not 100% sure. There doesn't seem to be any clue. It's from Germany, which is no clue because they both are. Okay. Let's have a look. Opens very easily. That's that there. That's the packaging. Power Fix. What's Power Fix? I know Work Zone. Let's have a look at that. I don't know. Parkside is the Lidl. Oh, I don't know. It's one of the two anyway. Let's chuck that. That's in the bin. But here we have it here. It's got a little clip for your. So obviously it's a portable. Designed to be portable. Just the little clip opens it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory what you have to do. There's all the holes. You put the cable in the right and then pull. Clips back up. And you've got this bit here, this big opening here. I'm not 100, that must be for quite, what does it say on there? 8 to 18, 13 mil is that? 8 to 13 mil. Okay. So that's for really big cables. And that, I suppose, let's get the wire. I suppose there's a bit there for actually cutting the wire to the length you need. If you want to cut a bit off. Yeah, okay. So if you need to strip a wire, you get the gauge that you need. That's quite sharp actually. I didn't hang about with that. So it tells you what's on there. There's little numbers up the side. What does that say? I don't know what this cable will be. I think it's 4 mil. Let's try 4 mil. 4 mil. So put that through, close it down and pull. No, it's not 4 mil. Try the next one. 3 mil. Is that 3 mil? I was still on 4. What does that say? That says 2.5 mil. Try 2.5. I think it's a matter of getting used to it. That's 2.5 there. Actually, it's not bad. It's better than what I thought it was going to be. It's really good, that. So let's snip it again, try it again. So you can pop it through the hole, snip it where you want it. Interesting. Once you get used to this, it's actually quite good. So put it on 2.5. As most things, it's not the problem with the tool, it's the inexperience of the user. Yeah, that's pretty, you can get a really good purchase on that and give it a tug. Let's have a look at this way of doing things. So get that, and we want that on. That has the same 2.5, so 2.5 is there. It actually seems easier. It doesn't seem as much stress on this, on the left hand, the hand that's holding the wire. Perhaps because this is newer and sharper. So let's cut it again. Very sharp, very, very sharp. Put it on 2.5, which is the third one along. Yeah, there's definitely, did that go in my coffee? No, I better not have. Don't think it did. I think where it wins is it's very, very sharp. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. What's that hole for? Oh, that's for nothing. No, I do. I like it. That's pretty simple, straightforward, and very, very sharp. As long as it stays sharp, you know. Nice. Yeah, I give this a go. I didn't expect much of it, but yeah, really nice. I'll try and find out where it came from, because it'd be useful if you wanted to get one. I'll ask my wife when I go in, and I'll put it in the notes. But just been a very short video, 5 odd minute review, 6 minute review of this. Yeah, very nice. I like it. You can do all sorts of cable sizes. Step 1, step 2. Not 100% sure what that's for. Step 1 and step 2. Maybe really thick cables if you're getting them. Not sure. But it's all sorts of cable sizes, right down to 1/2 mil. So that's quite fine. Yeah, nice. I rate this. It's good. Good to have in your pocket, maybe on your motorcycle, whatever. Even in your toolbox to potentially replace this. Very good. Yeah, I like it.